Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to become a DHgate affiliate. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Becoming a DHgate affiliate is a great way to earn commission by promoting a vast range of products from electronics to fashion. To do it, first what you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in DHgate affiliate and then look for the link aff.dhgate.com, which is the official link of the DHgate affiliate. Then simply tap on it. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is look for the join now button and then tap on it. Once you do that, provide your personal details including your name, email address and information about your promotional platforms. Then review and accept DHgate affiliate agreement, which outlines the program rules, commission structure and payment information. After completing the registration form, submit your application. Approval times can vary, but you should receive a response within a few days. Once approved, you log into your affiliate dashboard to access your unique referral links, promotional materials and performance reports. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.